Hi, Alex here, and today I would like to share my experience with using ChatGPT in my daily work as a coder. If we look at a typical day of coder, we have a business that generates tasks, and then as a coder, you go to the Jira or GitHub projects, pick the task, create the code for the feature, or make a test and then create a code, doesn't matter. After it's ready, you post it and your peers can take a look and suggest you to change name or uh, use different patterns, whatever. So it's done with the peer reviews. Then you as a coder refactor this code and submit it again. And then you describe it. And when everybody kind of happy with this, it's tested. And then you basically merge it to the master. So you add the features or values to your product. So what I basically done, I take my code, which is open source, and the link will be below. The software is really simple. It's take the video and make an AI video with the stable diffusion. And I did it in maybe, I don't know, 1 hour. So it's really hacky, also with the Co-pilot. So if you just take a look at this, it's basically just constants and a few methods here and there. And then I asked ChatGPT to refactor it straight ahead. You can see it's not only give me the existing file that I can copy and paste, it's also give me the explanation of what exactly the refactoring should look like. It's basically what the peer review does usually. And if we look at the changes, you can see this is how I organize the settings here, and then this is how the ChatGPT suggests me. I have the quite ugly function here, parse args. It's changed it and also change the name and also suggest a more elegant solution here. So this was pretty impressive. I just copy and paste it. It was not working straight ahead, but maybe 1 minute I fix it. And then the next step, obviously, I would like to add tests, right? To make the job faster. And I'm just asked ChatGPT, post the file, said, write me a test and jest for this. And this is a result. So it's give me the positive testing, negative scenarios for all 3 methods that I ask. It took me a bit more time because I'm not a QA master, maybe 15 minutes extra to make it work, but it's working. And then the code looks better. I went to the documentation part. So I'm asked for the whole code base, just basically copy file by file to the ChatGPT. And this is a result. So we got explanation on function and all also important rows of the code. And then I think then it was completely done. I asked ChatGPT to go to the internet on my pull request and also create a nice description for the PR, which was also done quite nice. So what is actually the key learnings out of my experiment? Basically, if you look back at the chart, you will find out that this task will stay on the human side still, and the coder will need to implement the feature that it works somehow with the Copilot assistant or ChatGPT assistants. But I guess this part could be completely done automatically by the IDE or GitHub action or whatever. And the rest is just a look at this that makes sense, which is also a task, and merge it to the master, and then you're good to go. So if you would like to know more about stuff like this, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and peace.